I've added some more data to my parking fines spreadsheet, but now there's no zero at the end of the $11.20 that Tom Haverford owes. This is because I haven't yet told Excel that I'm talking about money. It thinks I just typed 11.20, and so it simplified it for me to 11.2. Now, I can manually type a $sign in front of the 11.2, and then Excel will add the zero once I move to another cell. But there's another way to do it where I tell Excel that every number that's going to be in this column is going to be currency. I do this by first clicking on the column heading to select the entire column. So now all of column C is highlighted. It's okay that I'm selecting the whole column. Excel isn't going to put a $sign in front of the words parking fine because it recognizes that those are words. The reason I'm selecting the whole column is because once I format it, every number that's already in the column and any future number that I type in this column will get the $sign in front of it. Okay, so once my column is selected, now I click on the dialog box launcher in the number group on the ribbon. It's this tiny little symbol in the lower right-hand corner that kind of looks like an arrow trying to escape a box. Once I click it, I get a pop-up box with a whole lot of things that I can do now. It's kind of like the icons we see on the ribbon are the items in the wardrobe, and then you click on the dialog box launcher, and then all of a sudden, oh look, there's Narnia. The tab that I want is this very first one on the left. Numbers. And right now the category is set to general, so I'm going to change it to currency. Once I change it to currency, I get a few more options that I can play with. I'm going to leave it at the $sign because we're using dollars, and I'll leave it at 2 decimal places. Then here I have the choice of how I want numbers that are negative to show up in this column. For example, do I want there to be a minus sign in front of it to indicate that it's a negative number, or do I want it to be red, etc.? I'm going to leave it as negative numbers being indicated by a minus sign in front. So I click OK, and now every number in this column has a $sign in front of it, and any future number that I type will get a $sign as well.